Fly Guy Presents Space by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. One day, Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Space Museum. "I want to fly into space when I grow up," said Buzz. "Space?" "Yeah," said Buzz. "We can learn all about space right here." The universe is so big that scientists don't know its exact size. Space means everything in the universe. The universe is made up of planets, stars, suns, moons, and much, much more. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, our house, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This spaceship went all the way past Neptune. Moons orbit or travel around planets. Earth has 1 moon. This is Earth and its moon. This is the surface of the moon. Jupiter has 50 or more. Many moons. This is some of Jupiter's moons. This is Jupiter. There are at least 146 moons in our solar system. The Sun is the biggest object in our solar system. It is 109 times wider than Earth. This is Earth to scale. The Sun is the center of our solar system. All objects orbit around the Sun because it has gravity. Gravity attracts objects to one another. The Sun's gravity pulls the planets like a giant magnet. The Sun is a star. Stars are huge balls of burning gas. Stars only look small because they are so far away. The Sun is the closest star to Earth. It is 93 million miles away. Stars are not star-shaped. They are really gigantic balls. There are many other objects in our solar system. Meteors are small rocks. When they fall towards Earth, they are called meteors. A shooting star is really a meteor. Comets are large pieces of rock, dust, and ice that orbits the Sun. Comets are called dirty snowballs. This is a comet. This is an asteroid belt. That is an asteroid. Asteroids are made up of rock and metal. An asteroid belt is made up of lots and lots of asteroids. Astronauts are people who travel in space to find out more about it. There is no gravity or oxygen in space. Astronauts go on zero-gravity flights to learn how it feels to move without gravity. These rides are like very fast roller coasters. Astronauts call zero-gravity flights vomit comets. Astronauts wear special clothes to keep them safe. Space suits keep astronauts warm or cool and let them breathe. Light, helmet, glove, temperature control valve, safety tether, protection layer. Buzz Aldrin walking on the moon. You need your own helmet, Fly Guy. A spacecraft is a vehicle that travels in space. There are many different types of spacecraft. A space capsule is carried into space by a rocket. Some return to Earth by splashing down in water. A space shuttle also blasts off using rockets when it returns to Earth. It lands on a runway like an airplane. Astronauts can live on space stations. A space station can be as long, wide as a football field. Astronauts have done amazing things. The first person in space, the first American to orbit Earth, the first astronaut to walk on the moon, the first teachers to be part of the Teacher in Space program, the first woman to command a U.S. space shuttle. Animals were sent into space before humans. First in space! The first creatures in space were fruit flies. Albert II became the first monkey in space. A dog named Laika became the first animal to orbit Earth. Scientists can learn about space through a telescope. A telescope is a tool that uses lenses and mirrors to make faraway objects look nearer. A Hubble Space Telescope is as big as a school bus. There is still a lot to be learned about space. Earth is the only planet scientists know of that has living things on it, but scientists think that there could be other life in the universe. Take me to Yelita. Mars rovers are robots that explore Mars. Scientists are studying if there was ever water on Mars. If there was water there might have been life. Aliens! When Buzz got home, he made his very own asteroid belt. Look, Fly Guy, I made it out of rocks and metal. We learned a lot about space today, Buzz said. I can't wait for our next field trip.